Power Packaging, an Excel company, is the North American contract manufacturing business unit of Deutsche Post DHL. For more than 40 years, Power Packaging has worked with major consumer packaged goods companies like PepsiCo, Unilever, and Kraft Foods to blend and package foods and beverages for the largest brands in the world. In recent years, Power Packaging has been faced with the complications of an evolving industry, increasing customer expectations, and a changing landscape that threaten the ability to retain the skilled associates needed to drive the business forward. The philosophy of Dr. W. Edwards Deming, the father of continuous improvement, quickly surfaced and became the anchor on which Power Packaging took action. The result of that action is Power Packaging's Value Improvement Process, VIP, a comprehensive program developed through the engagement and involvement of all associates, designed to embrace change and create a completely new work environment centered on continuous improvement and employee empowerment. At its core, VIP is consistent with the First Choice Way and is centered on the four objectives established in our global First Choice program: mindset and behavior, organization and skills, performance management, and processes. Throughout this presentation, you'll be introduced to VIP, learn about the results that it is driving, and hear from Power Packaging associates on what VIP means to them. Power Packaging's journey into continuous improvement started with the formation of the Guiding Coalition, a cross-functional team challenged with the goal of engaging all associates in the development and launch of this effort. The Guiding Coalition outlined a vision for the company's success. Lead the contract manufacturing industry by providing high-quality, value-added supply chain solutions. We will accomplish this through aggressive growth over the next 3 years and by energizing a continuous improvement culture, investing in expanded capabilities, exploring innovation, and demonstrating a commitment to our community. They took that vision directly to all associates, engaging every one through a series of cultural workshops designed to gain an understanding of exactly what would be needed to realize the vision. The resulting associate input formed the core elements of the VIP program: the 7 behaviors, the VIP charters, and the imagery. The 7 behaviors are based entirely on associate feedback. It is essential for all Power Packaging employees to model these 7 behaviors to ensure consistency with the vision and to drive success.
VIP to me means that my truck is safe and ready to go.
The VIP charters are Power Packaging's central business objectives, captured in a way that provides associates with maximum clarity on the direction and priorities of the company. The charters engage associates in focused improvement activities centered on those priorities and act as a platform for an increasingly sophisticated set of continuous improvement tools.
VIP to me means that the maintenance department has a vision.
Visually, the 7 behaviors, the VIP charters, and the driving force of associate energy are captured in a windmill, a structure common to the areas where many of our associates live. The VIP windmill sits on a foundation of core values, the 7 behaviors. The blades of the windmill are the VIP charters, and the associate energy is the wind that drives the windmill in a direction set by the vision. Creating and implementing the associate-driven VIP was a success, but sustaining that change is what differentiates this program and creates a truly revolutionary change at Power Packaging. VIP has impacted the business to such an extent that even customers are talking about it. Al Rodriguez, director at General Mills, said that he has never seen an organization move as far and as fast at implementing and sustaining a continuous improvement program. He can't wait to see what's next for Power Packaging. In order to ensure its sustainability, VIP was developed with a deliberate focus on associate empowerment, tool availability, and formal recognition programs. VIP Energy, an associate-driven suggestion card system, empowers individuals by providing another way to communicate their ideas for continuous improvement.
VIP means I have a voice.
VIP Energy cards are available in high visibility areas like the cafeteria shown in this image. Associates can complete a card and place it in a card holder for the charter that best aligns with their suggestion. As VIP Energy cards are received, charter leadership personally reviews the idea with the associate, determines the next steps, and signs the card when the action is closed. Power Packaging maintains a database of all card information to measure participation, response times, and impact to charter goals. VIP Energy and Associate Empowerment turn into action with a deep toolbox of resources available for creating action and delivering on the VIP vision. Power Packaging associates are empowered to direct their energy through the use of the VIP Continuous Improvement Wheel, an initial organization tool that enables associates first to decide where to focus their efforts and then to manage the action that they undertake. As a central warehouse of tools, the VIP Continuous Improvement Wheel provides a categorized list of tools, each of which can be used to help drive those associate-led actions toward success. Tools are categorized into those that support identification, form structure, aid recovery, affect behavior, and help with prioritization. 3 specific tools have been central in immediately empowering associates to take control and drive a transformation in their work environment: 5S methodology, standard work, and Tim Wood waste identification.
VIP to me means organization.
5S methodology focuses on work environment organization. By establishing a disciplined approach to organization, the workplace is easier to use and fosters safety, pride, and product quality. The results are evident in exploring before and after photos like these. The workplace is safer than before. Tools are easily accessible, and the workplace is more organized and easier to use. In order to sustain this progress, associates have an active visual monitoring board where they are empowered to observe and communicate the effectiveness of 5S throughout the facility. Associates complete daily checklists and actions to address all identified items noted on the 5S monitoring board.
VIP means the right way to do my job.
Standardized work at Power Packaging is a powerful tool in making associates' jobs easier and in forming a baseline for continuous improvement. By detailing important measures of workplace efficiency and safety, associates have created an easy reference tool consisting of header information, standard personal protective equipment, material safety information, standard tools and materials required for the job, and a step-by-step detailed list of tasks and associated task timing. The tool also contains color-coded references and detailed operation photos for a visual connection to the task list. Associates audit the standard work to ensure that the appropriate processes are being followed and chart relevant improvements for deployment in other areas as appropriate. As the standard is improved, the new standard becomes the baseline for further improvements, a never-ending process in which the associates can continue to explore and drive efficiencies in the workplace.
VIP means a point of reference for efficiency.
In addition to involvement in standardized work and 5S, associates are also engaged in identifying and eliminating key waste areas at Power Packaging facilities. Those key areas are categorized into 7 wastes represented by the acronym TIMWOOD: transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects rework. By focusing on identifying and reducing waste, associates are directly impacting costs and allowing Power Packaging to be more competitive. Associates routinely conduct TIMWOOD hunts, where they use a TIMWOOD hunt form to record notes and observations. The completed form allows associates to organize their observations into waste categories and determine what specifically to work on. With their substantial efforts on VIP, associates are motivated by their empowerment and the realization that they can drive measurable change to improve their work environment and affect Power Packaging's business. They are encouraged and recognized for those efforts through 3 recognition programs. The Charter of the Month program promotes and recognizes efforts of individual charters. Each month, members of a charter set up activities in each facility, often having contests or raffles to highlight their activity and drive further involvement in the charters. President's Awards are a formal recognition of breakthrough performance in any VIP component. Facilities submit applications for this recognition, which are evaluated monthly. The recipients are awarded a plaque for their work area and take a group photo with Power Packaging's president. At the end of each year, facilities compete with each other for the VIP Plant of the Year Award, an annual recognition of the facility that has made the most significant impact in VIP during the year.
VIP means I'm set up for success.
The results from VIP are impressive. Beginning with a cultural shift toward associate empowerment, stronger involvement, and an improvement mindset, VIP has delivered change to the organization during a period when it was most needed, and the results speak for themselves. 100% facility representation. Every Power Packaging location has embraced VIP. Decreased employee turnover. 82% associate participation and 100% management engagement. And EOS scores that have increased by as much as 9 percentage points. There are other results that simply can't be quantified, like the strengthened relationship between associates and management, the fact that each associate knows their voice is heard, and the effective communication tools that have been deployed as part of VIP. Power Packaging's value improvement process, an adaptation of continuous improvement in the first choice way, began with a vision for change, a focus on survival. Through an emphasis on associate engagement, empowerment, and involvement, VIP has proven to be a catalyst for change. As Power Packaging moves into the new year, VIP will continue to be the process for driving business, a process embraced by associates, driven by associates, and owned by associates. There's been a change at Power Packaging, a revolution called VIP that will continue delivering real results across the business by way of the most important resources of all, our people.